Hello friends, in this video I am showing you how to create new account in Instagram. If we don't have Instagram application, we can download from the Play Store. Otherwise, if you have Instagram application, you can directly click on the Instagram application. If we want to create new Instagram account, we need any mobile number or any email address for verification. We have to choose here a mobile number or email address. Okay, I have entered my mobile number for verification code. Okay, I got the OTP and entered here. Okay, then you can enter your full name here, and below you can choose the password. Okay, now you click on the allow. Okay, then we have to choose here our date of birth. Then here you click on the next. Okay, now you can choose here your profile pic, or you can skip in below. Okay, then you can choose your profile pic from gallery or your mobile cam. Then here you click on the next. Okay, now Instagram account has created here. Then you can invite your friends here, and you can also share your pics and your videos also. If you have any doubts, you can comment in below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.